Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna do another haul video. Me and my family went to Michael's yesterday and picked up some stuff, and we went to Sprouts for some groceries, and my son wanted this bamboo, so we'll be potting it up soon. I know a lot of you have been asking for me to do a potting video with my son, so maybe this will be what we pot up along with some other plants. So he wanted this, which I'm so happy because he's enjoying plants and all that. So I really love that he wanted that. Just set it here. Okay, now for the rest of the haul. So I went to Michael's and they're having a 20% off coupon for everything, so your entire purchase, and also all of their gardening stuff is 50 to 60% off. So I had a really good time with that. My son picked this out, this little dragon, and so I thought we could put it in an arrangement. So cute. So this was, it's usually $8, so we paid $4 and then 20% off that. There's that. I got this macrame hanger. It was $8, so I paid $4. I need more hangers for my indoor plants, so this will be going inside. Super cute for $4. Well, a little bit less than that. These were still, these pots, usually $14. They were half off, so they're $7 for these pretty big pots. So I got a white one, and I also got a yellow one. I thought this yellow was super cute, so I had to get it. So there's that, and then I have my bag full of other stuff that I picked up. So since I am doing more propagating with my houseplants, I'm buying more jars and stuff. So I bought this one, which is nice and pretty deep. So regular price $16, paid $8 plus the 20%. Also got short ones. Got that one. Got two of those. These were, I want to say, $1 or something like that. And then I had to get these little mini, oops, they're like stuck together, terracotta pots. They're so cute. These were like 59 cents each or something like that. Had to get those. And for my larger propagation pieces, like this. It's really tall. This one's usually $8, so I pay like a little less than $4. That was pretty. And then I got two more of the tall. These are tall terracotta. Trying to see the size of these. These are probably like 5. Doesn't say on there, so let's measure. Yeah, a little more than 4. Oh, like 4 inches. Those are 4-inch pots. These little ones are tiny, 1.5 inches. These guys are like 8.5 or 8. Yeah, so that's what I got. So that's what I got for my haul. And as you can see here, I paid $36. So it was nice to get like, so let's see, yeah. So the pot was actually $5.60 because I got $1.40 off it. So $7, yeah, it was $7 and then 20% off that. Yeah, everything, these are smaller because they're smaller purchases. Like that, instead of paying 59 cents, I paid 47 cents. But yeah, saved $43. So I feel like that's a really good price for all of this stuff. And so I want to share, Michaels has the 20% off your entire purchase. And then a lot of that works on sale items. So that's why a lot of these I got about like 70% off. So yeah, go to your local Michaels if you're looking for stuff like this. They're having the sale. I think it lasts till Monday. So just wanted to share my finds with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.